Hi guys, welcome back to our Wix Harmony series. One of the fundamentals when it comes to building an identity or brand for your business is by establishing your colors. So in today's video, we are going to learn how you can update your brand colors in the Wix Harmony editor. Let's get started. Go to brand at the top and from here select colors. Here, you'll see your site's color palette classified into categories like base colors, shades, and accent colors. If you wish to change the entire palette to some of Wix's suggested palettes, then click on Change Palette over here. And from this panel, you should see some palette suggestions that you can choose from. So feel free to choose. But if you like, you can actually simply tweak the colors that you already have here. So say for example, for the base, click on the color that you want to work on first, and this color picker window will open. So basically, you can just use the color picker tool over here to select a color you'd like to use, or if you have the hex code for your brand color, then input that here and then click on save. So basically, you just have to tweak these things until you're happy with your new palette. Once you're done, your changes will automatically be saved within the Wix editor, and as you can see, as you work on your colors, it will also be applied to your page or to your entire website in real time. So you can safely close this panel now. And just like that, you have successfully set up your brand colors. And that's it for today. Hope you guys found today's video of help. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you guys in the next video.